Hi guys! Welcome back to Gloria's Platter. You must have seen these Korean kimchi noodles packages in the store. I am going to show you how to make them but in a more delicious way. Kimchi ramen noodles are eaten with a lot of liquid, but today it is made differently and it is made with a little twist. So let's boil the water first to cook the noodles. I plan on using 6 packages for my recipe to feed 5 people. I will only use some of this powder and the dry vegetables. These noodles cook fast. Please follow the instructions on the package. So you will eat these just like this when you have no time to cook. But today, let's add more flavor and make the kimchi more delicious. Let's go! Drain the noodles but use the same liquid to cook more noodles. If you don't have enough liquid, add more water. Like I said, I have cooked 6 of the noodles packages over here. I am using frozen corn, green peas, shredded carrots, and green onions. You will need butter, eggs, and shrimp as well. Check the description box for the ingredients, please. Feel free to add chicken or any meat that you like. Heat the butter. And stir fry garlic paste. Add the carrots, corn, and green peas. Saute for a couple of minutes. Scramble the eggs in a little butter. Next, cook the shrimp in heated butter. 2 minutes on each side. Don't overcook it. I like to add garlic, salt, and black pepper for flavor. So I have added the shrimp and noodles to the vegetables. Mix well. If you prefer, you can break the noodles. So as we don't want these noodles to be completely dry, I am adding some of the liquid where the noodles were drained from. So what do you think of the video? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gloria's Platter. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.